I got a stick! There are no eggs. Why did no one... What did you set me up for? I am... What is... Where'd the eggs go? Oh, not again. No! No! Okay, maybe I should eat them. How could this be? Just take it, Link. Just take it like a man. Oh, not so bad. I spoke too soon. You're fine. Uh-oh. Yeah! Chicken. Yeah! Chicken. This is what I wanted. How many do I have now? I have 8! Oh, but I need 10. I need 10. It must be perfect. It's the price I'm paying. It's the price I'm willing to pay. It's the price I'm willing to pay. Oh, ow! Ouchie! See, now I'll replenish myself. Ooh! Okay.